If there's one lasagna recipe you'll want to keep forever, this is the one. Rich, cheesy, and absolutely worth every bite. Start by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a large pot, then add the finely diced carrot and onion. Cook until they begin to soften. Stir in the garlic and let it cook just until fragrant. Add the ground beef, followed by the pork, breaking everything apart as it browns. Once the meat is nicely cooked, pour in the passata and crushed tomatoes. Add the tomato paste for a deeper, richer flavor, then stir in the crushed beef bouillon, dried oregano, salt, black pepper, and just a touch of sugar to balance the tomatoes. Let everything simmer until the sauce becomes rich, thick, and full of flavor. While the meat sauce cooks, you can find the full recipe with all the measurements in the description below or by clicking the card above. Now for the creamy white sauce. Melt the butter, whisk in the flour, then slowly pour in the milk, whisking constantly until smooth. Stir in the shredded Parmesan and cook until the sauce is silky and creamy. To assemble, spread a layer of meat sauce over the bottom of your baking dish, then cover it with lasagna sheets. Add another generous layer of meat sauce, followed by half of the mozzarella cheese. Spoon over the creamy white sauce, then continue layering until everything is used. Finish with the remaining meat sauce, white sauce, and the rest of the mozzarella. Cover and bake for 40 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully golden and bubbling. Finish with freshly chopped parsley, let it rest for a few minutes, then slice and enjoy. Save this recipe for your next family dinner, and I'll see you in the next one.